Hello, Richie here. In this video we're going to have a quick look at the Transformer Medix. When we buy new toys at HarryMollyFun, part of the joy is looking around the box before we open it all up. I kind of find it exciting. Let's quickly turn the box around and see what's there. I have to say, this looks very cool. Alright, let's open it up. I'm just going to pan the camera around and you can enjoy the view for yourself. Okay, time to quickly transform. It's just a one-click operation and there you have it. Let's have a look at Medix as a chunky, cool vehicle. Thanks for watching HarryMollyFun, and please look out for our other videos. Bye for now.